Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Makeup Looks. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy makeup and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest makeup and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new video. As you guys all know, makeup mainly is used to change or enhance the way we look, to feel more confident and also to hide our imperfections. Makeup can be termed as a cosmetic device that is used to prettify or add color to your face. On the other hand, makeup can give us a confidence boost. A lot of us feel we look our best when we have got a full face of makeup on. It helps us define features that wouldn't otherwise be prominent without makeup. So guys, please watch this video till the end because this is a very informative video for the everyone who loves to do makeup. Guys, watch it till the end so that you do not miss any makeup or hairstyle idea. And if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of a makeup look which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my videos, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for makeup and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and get amazing videos and get amazing ideas for makeup and hairstyles. I'll continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos and show some love. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I will continue making more informative videos